If you're trying to live a healthier lifestyle, please don't buy those creamers that are so popular, you know, the flavored ones, the vanilla, the pumpkin, all that. They're just made with seed oils. There's no cream in them. So I'm going to teach you a recipe to make your own homemade creamer that's flavored. Now I'm using organic half and half and pure vanilla and agave syrup and just a couple drops of cinnamon. All you need is 1 or 2 drops. So I'm making a cinnamon vanilla creamer with real ingredients.
And half and half, of course. Use real cream too if you want to. And then I will put some agave syrup. You can also use maple syrup. Also organic. Pure vanilla. And just a drop or 2 of cinnamon. It's really hard to control exactly how much you get. But what's nice about cinnamon and real cinnamon, the real cinnamon is that it actually balances out your blood sugar. So cinnamon is really great for people that have problems with their blood sugar, diabetes, whatnot. So this is how I just did it. Got 2 drops. Now shake it up really well and then taste it. See if you need to tweak it a little bit.
I'm going to taste it and see if I need a little bit of tweaking. Okay, I'm going to try it and see what it tastes like. This is about half full, so I used about half of this container, and I didn't measure anything else at all except the cinnamon essential oil. Believe it or not, it's a little heavy on the cinnamon, but not bad. And again, I only put 2 drops in. Essential oils are so potent. So I'm trying to figure out what I need to do. I think maybe just a little bit more agave syrup. Yes, I needed just a little bit more agave syrup, otherwise it's really good. It's not going to taste like those fake coffee creamers. Remember, most of those are not made from real food, or if it is, it's so processed that it's not good for your body at all. There's no nutritional value in there. The agave syrup has a little bit of nutritional value. Real half and half is okay. It's a whole food, it's a real food, and the cinnamon, of course, has some benefits to your body as well. Now I'm going to add this to my coffee.